Don't you just love that classic flavor of maple syrup? I'm Megan with WTI, and I have been enjoying that iconic flavor with this maple syrup from La Petite Cabane à Sucre de Quebec, in English, Little Quebec Sugar Shack. This syrup offers that perfect, clean sweetness that you come to expect from any high quality maple syrup. The maple flavor enhances so many dishes, whether they're sweet or savory. I have found it to be excellent as a sweetener, a topping, or an ingredient in any recipes I'm making, and it never fails to deliver. Quebec and maple syrup have such strong historical roots. The province is practically synonymous with maple syrup. And this one from Little Quebec Sugar Shack is really just a testament to that fact. There is no doubt that they really know what they're doing when it comes to maple syrup. It comes in a beautiful glass maple leaf shaped bottle. It would make a stunning and a delicious gift for any of your foodie friends. My love of all things maple continues on thanks to this syrup. But that's just my point of view.